Today in this video we discuss about hunting of alternator. So hunting generally occurs in alternator driven by engines because the driving torque of engine is not uniform. So sometime an alternator will not operate satisfactorily with other due to hunting. So, if the driving torque applied to an alternator is pulsating such as that produced by a diesel engine, the alternator rotor may be pulled periodically ahead of or behind its normal position as it rotates. This phenomenon, this oscillation of action is known as hunting. So, hunting called the alternator to shift load from one to another. So, when the hunting is occurs, in that case we have to change the load to another alternator. In some cases, these oscillations of power becomes cumulative and violent enough to cause the alternator to pull out of synchronism. And if we use steam turbines, in that case generally do not have a tendency to hunt since the torque applied does not pulsate. So in a salient pole machine, hunting is reduced by providing damper winding. And in cylindrical rotor machine, the damper windings are generally not used because solid rotor provides considerable damping. So it consists of short-circuited copper bars embedded in the pole faces. Here, these are the bars of damper winding. So it consists of short-circuited copper bars embedded in the pole face. When hunting occurs, there is shifting and armature flux occur the pole faces, thereby inducing current in the damper winding. Since any induced current opposes the action that produced it, the hunting action is opposed by the flow of induced current. So we know that according to Lenz's law, any induced current opposes the action that produced is. Thus, the hunting action is opposed by the flow of induced current. So now we discuss some point which we have to keep in mind. These are: number 1, hunting generally occurs in alternator driven by engines because the driving torque of engines is not uniform. So in case of diesel engine, the driving torque of the engine is not uniform. Thus the reason hunting occurs. Number 2, alternators driven by steam turbines generally do not have a tendency to hunt since the torque applied does not pulsate. So alternator driven by steam turbines generally do not have a tendency to hunt since the torque applied does not pulsate. Number 3, in cylindrical rotor machines, the damper windings are generally not used. It is because the solid rotor provides considerable damping. And we are not using cylindrical rotor machine because the solid rotor provides considerable damping. So these points we have to keep in mind. So thank you.